Converting OST to CSV. Try SysTools OST to CSV Converter tool. Let's discuss key features first. Complete OST to CSV conversion exports emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, journals, and attachments with a preview option. Batch processing converts single or multiple OST files quickly and efficiently. Secure and reliable ensures no data loss or corruption during conversion. Multiple formats and previews support CSV, PST, 13+ formats, and various preview modes. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools OST to CSV Converter tool. Now click on the first link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system.
This is the interface of the SysTools OST to CSV Converter tool. To get started, click on the Add File option in the top left corner. Now, import your OST file. In the Add File window, click on Select File to browse and add your OST file using the three-dot button. If you're unsure where your OST file is located, use the Search File option. Simply select Search Selected Drive and choose C, D, or E, or pick Search All Drives for a complete scan. For this tutorial, we'll proceed with the Select File option, but you can choose what works best for you. Click on the three-dot button to browse and select your OST file. Then click Open. Your imported files will appear in the list. The first column displays the file name, the second shows the file path, and the last one indicates the file size. In the Scan Mode section, use Advanced Scan only if the file is highly corrupted. The Recover Permanently Deleted Files option restores deleted data. The Decrypt File option removes encryption from emails secured with SMIME or OpenPGP. If your file is protected, you'll need to provide the required credentials. In the App Folder Path section, scanned files will be stored here. You can see the default save location and change it using the three-dot button. Now click on the Add button to proceed. After adding the file, a pop-up will appear confirming that the scan is complete. It will also ask if you want to save the scanned files. Click No to proceed, or choose Yes if you want to save the scan for future use. This is the folder list, displaying all folders from your OST file. Click on any folder to view its emails. On the right panel, you'll see all emails within the selected folder. At the top, the first column, From, shows the sender's email ID. The subject column displays the email subject. The To column lists the recipients. The Sent column shows the date the email was sent, while the Received column indicates when it was received. The Size column displays the email size. Now click on any email to view its details. In the Normal Mail view, you can see the email headers and message content. For a better view, click on Switch View at the top and choose between horizontal or vertical. Selecting vertical provides a clearer layout. Now, let's go back. In the Hex panel, data is displayed in binary format. The Properties view shows detailed email header properties. The Message Header view provides additional email header details. The MIME view identifies the file type, such as images, documents, videos, or audio files, based on its MIME type. The HTML view displays the email in hypertext markup language, while the RTF view shows it in rich text format. In the Attachment section, you can view attached files like images, documents, or PDFs. You can identify emails with attachments by the attachment icon next to the sender's name. At the bottom left, you'll find additional lists. The Mail section displays all emails from the OST file in one panel. You'll also find options for calendar, contacts, tasks, notes, journal, and the complete folder list. Now let's convert the OST data to CSV. You can export data using two methods. The first is Export Selected. Simply check the boxes next to specific emails, or click the top checkbox to select all. Then click Export Selected. However, since we need to convert all data, we'll use the second method. On the left, click the Export button to open the Export Options window. Now check the top checkbox to select all data. The SysTools OST to CSV Converter offers multiple export formats besides CSV, including PST, PDF, MBOX, MSG, EML, EMLX, vCard, ICS, NSF, TXT, HTML, and MHT. For this video, we'll proceed with CSV, but users can choose a different format if needed. In the destination settings, select a folder to save the exported CSV files. By default, the files are saved on the desktop. To change the location, click the Browse button on the right, select a folder, and click OK. Additional options include Save permanently deleted items only, exports only permanently deleted files instead of the entire data. Maintain folder hierarchy, keeps the original folder structure intact. Ignore system folders, exclude system folders from the export. Now click the Export button to start the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, a pop-up message will confirm that the process was successful. Click OK to continue. An export report is now generated. The Source File Name column displays the file name and its path. The success count shows 1,422, meaning 1,422 emails were converted. The fail count shows 0, indicating no errors. You can save this report by clicking the Save button. To view the converted files, click on the blue 1,422 text link. It will open a new window. On the right, click the blue file path link to go directly to the exported folder. Now open the folder and check your CSV files. Next, open a CSV file to review the data inside. And that's it. That's how you can convert OST data to CSV using the SysTools OST to CSV Converter tool.
Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.